Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to center align the text in Microsoft Word. In order to center align in Microsoft Word, and this is on a MacBook, yours might look slightly different, but generally in the same place. If you already have your text written, or if you haven't written it yet, there's a button right here. It looks like lines that are centered right here in the middle of your screen. So if you would like, you can go ahead and highlight that and then click on the center aligned button. You also notice there's a right aligned, there's a left aligned, which is the default. But to center align, you go ahead and click on the lines in the middle of your screen. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and like it, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things Being Classy. Catch you in the next video.